Thinking of buying or selling in Northern Colorado? You're in the right place. Hey there, I'm Mark Powell with Osborne Home Group and eXp Realty. I've helped countless clients right here in Northern Colorado buy and sell their homes with confidence and ease. On this channel, you'll find weekly local neighborhood spotlights, insider market updates, and proven tips that save you time, money, and headaches. Whether you're a first-time buyer, upsizing to your forever home, or looking to sell for top dollar. My mission is simple: to guide you every step of the way and help you make the smartest move for you and your family. So, if you want to stay ahead in the Northern Colorado market, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and you'll never miss an insider tip or local market update. Thanks for stopping by. Now, let's get moving.